Velocity got started around 5 years ago with the four original people, Mike, Clint, my wife Lisa, and myself. And we did it because we truly felt we could do the system better. We could take care of the customers better than what was going on in the industry right now. And as we quickly moved into our production, we demonstrated that value and what we could bring, which really accentuated our immediate growth.
Here at Velocity, we manufacture the reverse osmosis systems, water treatment systems, pressure boost systems, water reclamation systems, water softeners, reject systems.
We manage every single drop of water in a car wash. So we start out with a basically water softener. So we get your water tested, and with analysis, we determine if you need a water softener or not. We also manage the spot free, which is the last water that goes on the car, then control all the pressures and the pumps to go ahead and deliver that water. And we like to save you money, so that's why we have the RO reject recapture system. And last but not least, we do water reclamation, another best-in-class feature out there. And what we do is we recycle anywhere from a low of 50% up to about 85% of your water, which will then reduce your water and sewer bill.
We were at the point of a growth of our company where we needed to either reinvest a whole bunch of our money into developing our business and growing further. Velocity joining Sonny's offers a lot of values. First and foremost, we're joining two engineering groups together that are superior in the industry, and we're going to enhance our product offering to make it even better. We're the leaders now, we're going to take a larger step forward. There's a lot of growth opportunities, and there's a lot of opportunities to further develop the market and make the operator's job easier for them to become profitable. I mean, it's a true family environment, and I think that we have that same environment here, bringing these two teams together. We've known them all, we've been working with them, but now we're on the same team, and it's just taken it to another level.